Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. Going to do a video today on a new product that we're going to be rolling out in our stencil store, and that's going to be reusable Mylar stencils. We hope to have them out in about maybe 2 to 3 weeks. We've got all the design work done. What we're waiting on right now is the Mylar to actually come in. Been a few little glitches with the supply chain with the COVID situation going on around the country. So that's all we're waiting on right now, is to be able to get that Mylar in, go ahead and cut some inventory. So just like the name implies, there'll be 7.5 mil Mylar, basically with a pattern cut out of it that you'll be able to use over and over and over again, and just basically wipe them down with either some simple green or what we recommend is maybe 50-50 diluted acetone. The acetone doesn't seem to destroy them, but it just seems to be pretty harsh on them, so diluting it out will just make them last a little bit longer. Don't know yet. We've just really started messing with these in the shop, how long they're going to last, but you will get several uses out of them. Probably the first 10 or so patterns that we're going to put up in our store are going to be what we call accent stencils. So you're completely done with the pattern, you're ready to put your project in the oven and hard bake it. So the last step, what we would do on some of these is you take a piece of burlap, you take a piece of fabric that has a pattern cut into it or whatever, and you stretch it over just a couple, maybe 3 spots on the entire project, and spray a contrast color through it to give you just a little breakup and a little kind of a custom look. So because there are a lot of other companies that are selling Mylar stencils out there, but no one's really selling accent stencils, that's what we're going to start off with. So the first one, the one we're going to do in the video today, is just kind of some white noise looking hatch marks on in a pattern. So what we're going to do is we have a handguard that we've kind of just done some crazy stuff with in the training session. We're going to mix up some copper suede, kind of show you how how we use this, or how we use the burlap and things like that, where you just kind of wrap it around and just lightly spray through it. I'll throw that in, tack it out, and then we'll put some pictures at the end. So pretty quick video. I'll update everybody on when these will actually be in our shop. We'll put it on Instagram, Facebook, and I'll do a kind of an end of a video to let everybody know when these are active, and just kind of check back, and we'll put more patterns on there as we get them done. Hopefully we'll have quite a few on there within the next month or so, like I said, as soon as the Mylar comes in. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. And don't forget, have a great day.